Imagine you're working on a layout that needs to mimic the Apple Health app. The main issue you face is making the first element in a scrollable view stretch all the way to the edges while keeping the rest of the content in a default list format. How can you tackle this problem efficiently without starting from scratch and manually recreating list sections? Moving on to the solution, let's dive into the code provided. By using a list with specific configurations, you can achieve a desired layout. The key lies in structuring the content within sections and customizing their properties to control the appearance of each row. Pay attention to how the list is set up and how each section is styled to create the edge-to-edge effect for the first element. In summary, we've explored a clever approach to emulating the Apple Health app layout within a SwiftUI list. By strategically using sections with tailored settings, you can craft a user interface that combines edge-to-edge elements with standard list items seamlessly. I hope this solution helps you streamline your design process and achieve the desired look for your app. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit that subscribe button, give a thumbs up, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any questions. Until next time,